one day, if I can become an entertainer for every country out there, which would be amazing, then I can start giving out good ideas to probably try to help the world a little bit better. Because I do got awesome ideas. You know, people tell me, I have many people telling me, yeah, the world's so bad, it'll never be as good as you wish it to be. You're living a fairy tale. That's what you people are saying to me. Therefore, my ideas are so good, it has those people scared, and they're scared of a change. They're scared of a better life. It don't have to be like that, though. The way I see is this. I'd sacrifice myself for you all. You know, honestly, I don't care. If someone wants to shut me up and put me down because all I want to do is cause good, then so be it. So be it. I'll go up to heaven and I'll be like, it is what it is, God. You saw what happened. That's all I have to say. You saw what happened. You know, you make your call. Either way, it wouldn't be my religion, so I probably wouldn't even go there in the first place. But if I was in that religion, most likely he'd take me in right away, because he'd see me walking around with the cross tied to my back, sweating and bleeding, and still keep going. So that's what you can get up, you know. And if anything, how about this? If you donate $20, you can donate $20 to that Cash App down there. And you can comment below, like, I donated $20. Here's a challenge, and I'll do your challenge for you. And if you can't think of a challenge, ask me some kind of art to make for you. I'll make some art for you. Let's see, what else would I do for $20? I'll give you a shout out. That's not that important with someone with only 300 subscribers at the moment, but 4,000 on TikTok. So don't forget that you can get a shout out on here and TikTok. Therefore, it'll be like 4,000 or almost close to 5,000 subscribers now, if you add them both together. And I do really awesome content on TikTok, so you wouldn't be, you'd just get the awesomeness out of that shout out. But yeah, so $20 for that. Let's see. How about this? $100. If anyone donates $100, I'll push myself again even sooner to quit smoking cigarettes. Well, I got my parents here, the ones that caused me with all this stress to begin with. You know what I'm saying? I'll push myself. I don't care what it takes. So if you want to be part of the reason why I quit earlier, there you go. Donate $100. Let me know in the comments below. That's why you don't. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'll know why the 100's there. But yeah, there you go. So there's your options. 300 for a Facebook profile of mine, and to create a group for you all, so we can all have a community growing on Facebook, or 500 for a Discord server, and we can start growing on Discord. And you know what? The thing is, those who pay for that, I'm gonna make you the moderator. If you actually pay for those deals, those 300, 500 deal, I'll make you the moderator of whatever you paid for. You know, if you paid for the Facebook one, you'll be the Facebook moderator of the group. If you paid for the Discord one, you'll be the moderator of the Discord server. You'll have the power of keeping it safe, you know? You'll have that awesomeness and respect that you deserve in the end, no matter what. So it's not going to be a waste of money, that's for sure. I'll make sure of that. I really will. Mostly it's for upgrading. And then later, once we got all our upgrades ready, we can boost the hell out of here. Helltown. Well, that's all I wanted to say. I gotta cut this video short